Hello everyone, my name is Raful. Welcome to the next tutorial of Python. So today we are going to study how we can deal with the missing value or how we can fill or remove the missing value from our dataset. Okay, so I have imported already the dataset. So this is my dataset, which has, you can clearly see, there is a null value available in my dataset. So I just want to fill this null value with the another value. Okay, so now I'll first check it. Suppose if there is very large data set, so we don't know how many nulls value are there and which column has null value and all the things. So what we can do, we can just write the name of the data set dot is null, like is there any null value is there. If yes, just give me the sum of that all count with respect to particular column. So it will give you the count, that is in mpg, that is miles per gallon. There are three null value. Then again, this HP has again three null value. So these are the data set which has null value. Okay, so there are totally two column which has null value, right? So these two column, that is MPG and HP, which has two column. Now if I want to feed this null value with something, so there is a, we are going to use the method known as fillna. Okay, so this fillna is used to fill the missing value. So suppose if I'll type cast data dot fill in it, so what it will do? It is just going to fill all the values with 100. So wherever null value are there, everything will be replaced with 100. So we have a null value in MPG. See here, this 100, this 100, and one more are there, right? That's totally three. It has replaced. See this three, and we can also see there was null value in HP. So see, it's replaced here, and wherever it's replaced here. So that is the thing. Okay. But if I'll execute my dataset again, or if I'll check whether there is null value or not, it will show me that yeah, again null value is available. See, if I'll execute that, it will show me that yes, still null value is there. So for that purpose, what we can do, if I'm going to write here in place is equal to true, that is in place is equal to true. So if I'll write in place is equal to true, now what it will do, if I'll check cast data, okay, so now it has been replaced. But if I'll check now whether there is null value available or not, so now it will say, see, there is no null value available. So if you want to remove, you can write in place is equal to true. But actually I don't want to do this because I want to do some operation still. So this is the thing. Now if I'll check, still there is a null value. It will show me that yes, null value is available. It has to show, right? So that is the thing. Oh, let me import dataset once again because it's showing that thing. So now we can go here. Now if I'll check, there is a null value available. Yes. Now if I'll check, is there null? Yes, it's there. Now if I'll fill forward filling, it will fill with forward filling. Sorry, fill NA. It is going to replace all the value with 100. Not this. So it's replaced all the value with 100. Now if I'll check whether there is null value, so yes, it will show yes null value because I have not written in place is equal to true. So that is the thing. Now suppose that method is equal to, now if I want to do some forward filling, sometimes what happens, we don't know what value we need to replace. So at that time what we can do, sometimes we require to fill with forward filling. So what forward filling is going to do, wherever null value is there, it is just going to replace the above value. Okay, so I'll show you actually here where the null value was there. See, this was the null value. At second place, this is the null. So what it will do, it will replace the forward, like whatever the above in above row, what is the value are there, the same value will be replaced here. So that is what forward filling is going to do. Okay, here it will replace with the same value, that is 93. So we can check it, it's going to replace the same value. Here it's replacing the above value 21 here, and similarly here it's replacing with 93. That is forward filling. Now there is one more filling that is known as backward fill. So what this backward filling is going to do, if I'll execute this, it is going to copy the next column. Like in the next column, whatever the value is there, that will be copied over here. So it will replace with that. Similarly in HP column, see what is there in next row, that will be replaced here. So that is forward filling, backward filling. But if you want to replace the data set or replace the null value with the mean of that particular column or with the mean of data set, so what I can do, I'll just write this, that is car data dot fillna car data, that is this data set mean. So if I'll do this, what it will do, it will just do replace with the mean of that particular row. So see, the mean of that particular row is this much. So that is the mean, so it has replaced with this. For HP also, this is the mean, I think so, here somewhere it was there. So it replaced with the mean value. Okay, so that is the thing. If I want to check what is the mean value of that particular column, I can check that also. So before doing that, I'll show you what was the mean value for that. Sorry, where it went. Yeah, so suppose if I want to check cars data dot, for which column I want to check the mean, I want to check the mean of this mpg. Okay, so I'll write mpg dot mean. Okay, if I write that, it will give you the mean, that is 19.833. So see, you can see here it has been replaced with the same value, 19.833. This is the null and this was the null, so it replaced with the same value. Okay, so that is the things. And here also it will be replaced with the mean value of HP. I can check that also, what is the mean value of HP. You can just write over here HP. Okay, so if I write HP here, it will give you the mean. So that was something 141. So you can check it, all the values has been replaced with, yeah, this 141.6. So that is the thing. Okay, if you want to replace with mode, you can just write here mode instead of writing mean, just write down mode. So it will replace with the mode of that particular value. So write mode, it will replace with the mode of that particular value. See, now it has been replaced with the mode of that particular value. Okay, if I want to replace with median, I can write median here. It's simple, so simple. Okay, yeah, so like this way we can replace all the null values in our data set. Suppose if you want to replace the data set and we don't want, when we are printing the data set, we don't want again it print null value. So if you write in place is equal to true, then after that, once you write in place is equal to true, and after that if you check your data set or null value, whether any null value is there or not, is null, and then if you write here dot sum, so it is going to give you there is no null value. So this is how we can deal with the null value. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this particular topic, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.